Hello everyone, here is a cold start video to my 1987 Ferrari Testarossa. Here is a laser temperature to show the temperature of, it's got a little 76.5 degrees, 76.5 degrees. You can see maybe the red dot on there. That's 77 degrees. There's the tailpipe, 78.5 degrees. So it's about what it is out today. So what I'll do is I'll start it and in the car show you the gauges, and then come back out and observe it, and we will go from there. All right. Thank you. So let's. Apologize for the bumpiness of the video, but it is a tight squeeze in my garage anyways. Mute the radio. Starts up very quickly. No issues there. When cold, searches a little bit for the idle. You can see that lasts for a minute, maybe 2 minutes, and then it just steadies out at about 1,000 RPMs. Oil pressure is good. It was just recently changed with Mobil 1 synthetic, 1550. Stock Ferrari oil filter, of course, but you can see that the temperature gauges are cold. All of them work, like I said, in about a minute to maybe 2 minutes, depending on the actual temperature. It will steady out and be very solid. The gauges down here, of course, fuel, oil temp, clock, you can see. So it searches a little bit right there, and runs fine, no problems. Has newer plugs within the last 1,000 miles. Oil filter change, air filter, fuel filter changes, just recently done. So no real issue there. And if you look out back, oops, that's not the best way, was it? I'll go out back. Go out back where the exhaust. Still searching a little bit for the idle, as you can see. This has been sitting overnight. You'll get a little bit of blue smoke sometimes when, sitting overnight. Nothing major. It's just design of the motor. If you set it for 3 or 4 months unstarted, you'll get a little bit more, but normal. Again, it's searching for that idle a little bit. It does take a minute or two before it actually steadies it out. It's what it does. I've never looked into it, because generally speaking it was pretty just weighted inside, and it will clean up. Good oil pressure. Again, it was a 1550 Mobil 1 that was used. Stock Ferrari filter, and it is It's getting to that point where it's almost warm a little bit. A lot of oil in these. 16.5 quarts to warm up, so they do take a little bit longer to warm up than your average car. All right, thank you.